Welcome. In today's video, I'm sharing a super easy way to make hard-boiled eggs using just an air fryer. No need for boiling water or waiting around. Let's get right into it. First, preheat your air fryer to around 130 degrees Celsius or about 270 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheating will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Next, place your eggs directly in the air fryer basket. No need for water or any other setup. Just set the eggs in a single layer, exactly how I'm placing them in the basket here. Once you've done that, set your timer for 15 minutes for fully hard-boiled eggs. If you prefer softer eggs, 12 minutes will work perfectly as well. While the eggs cook, prepare an ice bath by filling a bowl with cold water and ice. This will help stop the cooking process and make the peeling a lot easier. When the eggs are done, they'll be hot, so be sure to use tongs or a spoon to carefully move them to the ice bath. Then let them cool in the ice water for roughly 5 minutes. Once they've cooled, gently tap the eggs on the counter to crack the shell, then peel them on the bench. They're ready to enjoy after that. And there you have it, perfect hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer with minimal effort. Try this out and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching.